2010 Honda Accord EX 4-door headlight bulb replacement. Got to remove this, at least lift it out far enough to get to the bulb. So we're at that point right here. There's the bulb hole. Hey, I'm Todd. Thanks for watching my video, and do all that good YouTube stuff. Share it, like it, hit the notification bell, thumbs up, subscribe, all the things that you do. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video and saving some money perhaps. I also invite you to check out the links in the description for some long-term savings with the stock market, and checking out the links for either E-Trade or M1, where you can save and trade fractional stocks, or Webull, which is usually giving away a couple free stocks for just depositing $100. So I strongly invite you to invest in your future and check them out. Thanks, and let's get to the video. Match up the holes and we'll turn it clockwise to lock, counterclockwise to take out. Push the tab to release right here. And we can see it's working. Seems to be a little bit of snug fit here, so you pull up on this fender a little bit to tuck it into place. Couple little arrows here fit in a hole. Plastic arrow pointing this way, plastic piece there. Just line it in. Looks like a little knobby fits up in that hole up there. We have two bolts, a 10mm bolt over here, a 10mm bolt right here, and that just holds it in place. Two of these. And a third bolt right there. Got these little guide pins here for this. Same with the other side. I just pulled it off, the guide pin. And I got a chair supporting the bumper. So just do one side at a time, don't have to do both sides. We'll tighten those down. Just seems to snap into place here. There's a Phillips screw we'll show you that goes up here. Otherwise you just grab the edge and you pull it off and it unsnaps. Here's all the pins I took out on the bottom. These are out of the top cover. They're all basically the same, which is in fact pretty annoying. The centerpiece pulls out to release it. It needs to go out a little bit further too. These little fingers need to fit into a notch, I think, to collapse. Ugh. So here's what I pulled out along here. And yeah, I gotta tuck this in. Tucking in. So those are what I took out along the bottom here. And then Phillips screw in that hole up there. And then we'll go up top. So let's see here. Let's try right here. Get this baby in. All the fingers need to collapse so we can get it in the hole. There we go. So that's the release, and you can pull it out that way, then it just snaps back into place. I don't really have a special tool for this exactly because I have to dig it in, but use 2 small screwdrivers and pry it out a little bit, and then use pliers of some kind to pull it out. I'll show you up top how they work when I'm not pointing the camera up in the air. Alright, so when you take this piece off here, it kind of tucks in here in the front, so be aware of that. Of course around here, also on these little knobbies, so it's a little tricky, but you can get it out. No problemo really. Taking it off, put it back on, tighten it, tuck it in here. Snap our boys into place. I'll just give you an example of 1 or 2 maybe.
Through this so far over the past week or so, this has probably been the most stable I think I've personally seen him for the span as I've seen.
Yeah. Well, here's what I'll say about that president thing. So.
Hey, you watch it and you believe him, you know, and he's believable, has a good demeanor, and
yeah,
doesn't seem to want to cry and whine. But yeah, so far in any of these I've seen, I have yet to see him quote unquote lose his cool.
Yeah.
He even said nice things about Nancy.
So that's how you manage all those plugs. We'll just snap them all back into place, and I think that's everything you need to know about headlight replacement on your headlight bulb replacement on your 2010 Honda Accord EX. Good luck to you.